Good afternoon, dear students. I hope you all are good and utilizing your time. Okay. Today in this recording, we will learn about drainage pattern. Okay. What is drainage pattern? You know, any river which starts from a mountain and ends on a ocean does not flow in a straight line. Okay. Sometimes it gets branches like this. Sometimes other tributaries join it. Okay. Then there is a definite pattern of these tributaries or these joining rivers, okay, or these branches. So we can divide this drainage pattern into four different categories. Okay, so let's see one by one each category. The first category is called dendritic. Okay, dendritic pattern. What is dendritic pattern? In dendritic pattern, it is like tree shape, है ना. When a drainage pattern is like tree shape, then it is called dendritic pattern. Okay, if you find pattern like this, then it is called dendritic pattern. dendritic, dendritic pattern. Okay, this one is called dendritic pattern. If you find if you find drainage in this one, then it is called dendritic one. Okay, next one is our, that is also called rectangular pattern, but the standard name of this one is called trellis pattern. What happens in this? In this the river flows in a spiral shape like this. Sorry, in a rectangular form. They form a rectangles like this, है ना. So such pattern is called trellised pattern. Okay, listen students, you will be asked in the question to identify the drainage pattern in a particular grid. Okay, there will be grid reference. You have to find out the pattern. Okay, you have to just write their name. After observing them, then you can write easily. Okay, so for this you must learn, or you must make these things in your mind. Okay, and practice at home as well, that what is dendritic pattern or how it looks like, what is trellis pattern or how it looks like. Okay, then the next one is our radial, and last one is disappearing. So what is radial pattern? Wherever you see the word radial, radial, है ना, in geography, it talks about something in circular one. Okay, suppose that you can find this pattern, है ना, like this sun rays. Okay, then it is called radial pattern. Okay, and the last one is our disappearing. This is important. This is very, very important. You must know about disappearing streams. What are disappearing streams? They are like, they starts, then there is a dot dot. They starts like this, they goes like this, then there is a dot dot dot. Okay, so this one is called disappearing stream. Okay, or disappearing pattern. Better you say disappearing stream. Okay, so these were the things that comes under drainage pattern. So you got to know about four types of drainage pattern. First one was your dendritic, है ना, dendritic, dendritic pattern. Dendritic means you can also learn the term tree. They are in the tree format, है ना. Then there was second one was trellis, trellised. Trellised. What is trellis? Trellis means they are in the rectangular form. And the next one is radial. They are like this one, the circular one, है ना, circular one. And after that there is a disappearing stream. They goes for a while, then there is a dot dot lines. So these are called drainage pattern that are asked in your question paper, especially in topo sheet. Hope you understood it, and if you have any confusion regarding any pattern, you can ask me directly on my WhatsApp.